How's it going? This has nothing to do with my usual channel content, but I thought this might be a helpful tip if you're like me and have to work on things by yourself a lot. I recently picked up this 2013 F-150 and I put a topper on it, and part of my plan for this truck is a roof rack to carry my stand-up paddleboard, and I'm just mounting rails to put the rack on. You have to put a screw in from the top and then tighten a nut on the bottom, and you have to be able to hold the screw on the top while you tighten the nut on the bottom, and there's just no way to reach it by one person. So let me show you what I came up with. I'm just using a right angle screwdriver. You could probably use a short regular screwdriver. Then I put a sandbag. I made these sandbags for my workout sandbag. I'll put a card to that video in case you happen to be interested. But anything like this would probably work. And now inside the topper, I can put plenty of torque to get this tightened up. These have lock nuts inside them, and so you just have to get it to the point where it's locked up, and then you can go back up top and torque it to spec just from the fastener on the top. Anyway, I hope you find that helpful. Usually I do videos about sewing. If you're into sewing, then you should check out my channel. If you're not into sewing, you should definitely check out my channel. Thanks for watching.